Okay, we want to look at the cylindrical application to use for the handle. So on the handle, what we're going to do, of course, we'll start out by creating a joint, and we'll use cylindrical. And we want to, actually, I'm going to zoom in on this, and I'm going to go with this flat edge right here. And then I'm going to come over here and go with this edge right here. Okay, now that looks like it's just the handle end moving, but that's not the case. It's all moving, and there you can see it. Okay, then we've got to go in there and look at getting the rotation stopped, or getting the slide stopped on that. So let's see, if we go back there, now we've got the cylindrical and we're set at 0. So let's go in there and see if we can measure this. And if we wanted to try to measure that circle right there, 2, and actually we need to go to where that fillet starts. We have to go right here. If we don't, it can't actually ride up on that. So we'll go right there. And now the number, interestingly enough, the number it gives us, if we look at the Y value here, the delta Y is 3.06. Now, if I go in there and put that cylindrical, edit that so that we've got a limit on that, and start on a linear of 0 and end on a 3.06, what we're going to find out, I believe, is that thing doesn't travel all the way out. And I don't know why that's not giving me the correct number at this point. However, what I can do is I'll zoom in there a little bit and I'll measure again. And I'll measure from that circle again to the edge again. And it says 0.105. So if I go back to that and edit that again and change that limit from 3.06 to plus 0.105 and accept that, we'll note that that will stop then where it's supposed to stop. Stops right where that tangency point is, and then it of course goes all the way out to the other end. So that way you can limit that hand. Well, I just lost my limit. There's that. I don't know why I just lost that. First time that's happened. Let's see. Let's look at our edit there. We lost our ending point. Let's see. That would have been 3.165, right? I don't know why I lost it, but I put it back in. It's fine now. And it stops. I don't know. It must not have gotten it accepted. So that's how we can limit that and check it and make sure we're getting the proper amount of movement.